Hello guys, in this video we are going to do a quick unboxing of the Airtel's 5G router. It is the ZLT X25, even though Airtel calls it the ZLT X25 Pro. I guess we are going to find out why this router is called Pro. So I'm going to open the box and be showing you what you would find inside the box when you buy this router. So first you have the user manual. This tells you how to set up this router, how to connect it, the features and all that kind of stuff. So if you've used any router, this should be fairly easy to understand. It's not complicated. There is nothing out of the ordinary here, just the basic stuff. You also find the main unit, which is the ZLT X25. Like I said, it comes in white, and I haven't seen any colors other than white, so I guess this router only comes in white when you buy it from Airtel. I think the color looks nice. You find the Airtel branding on it as well. Further inside the box, you're going to find the SIM. You find the SIM pack, which has your SIM card, but in my case the SIM card is already in the router. This charger can be used to charge or power the 5G router. It's a 2 amp 12 volt charger. You can use it to power the router itself, or you can use it to power the UPS. And the Ethernet cable, as you can see, and this is Cat 5e. Then here we have the UPS. The UPS is the ZLT UPS 100, which is actually bigger. As you can see, it is actually bigger than the ZLT UPS 50, which comes with all other routers I've seen. This is a 5000 milliampere at 7.4 volts, but it outputs 12 volts 2 amps, just like the charger. This is it. Now let's quickly go back to check the box itself. You can see the lights. The design, like I said, looks good. There are 2 Ethernet ports back here. Both of them are gigabit ports. Here you have all the details, your passwords and stuff. And then behind this cover you have a Type-C port, which I do not think actually does anything. And then you have your SIM slot. And yeah, here you have my SIM, which has already been inserted. Yeah, basically that's all you get. That's all you get in the box. So let's quickly give this a test. Let's power this on with the power bank, or the UPS as they call it. So you connect the cable to the DC ports on the Airtel 5G router, and you turn the switch on. There's a switch to turn on the UPS. See, I've just turned on the switch and the light comes on both the UPS and our Ethernet router. So it's going to take a few seconds to boot. Now we have only the power light, but in a few seconds we'll have other lights showing as well. So we wait. Okay, I think the lights just came on now, and then we have 4G and data connection is on. I can't get 5G over here in my current location. There's no 5G, but I have 4G. If I go out, I get 5G. This is what we have. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm going to show you more about this router in my other videos.